Logarithmic functions. A logarithm is an exponent to which a specified base is raised to obtain a given value. You can write an exponential equation as a logarithmic equation, or vice versa. Whichever one will help you to solve the question, that's how you should use it. So, if we want to convert from one to the other, we just have to remember where they go. Think of our base in our exponent. If we have an exponential equation, b to the x power equals a, then our b is what we call our base, and it goes to the base of the logarithm. The x in our exponential function is our exponent. The x is going to go to the answer of our logarithmic function. So the exponent is going to go to the answer. Alright, and then finally our last part is the answer to our exponent goes to the inside of our logarithm. So whatever the answer is in our exponential function, that is going to go inside of the logarithm, inside the parentheses. If you can remember how these correspond, then it'll be really easy to convert from one to the other. So we're going to do some examples here by completing this table where we're just converting the exponential form into logarithmic form. So we have 3 to the power of 5 equals 243. So that would be log base 3 of 243 equals 5. Okay, and the next one, 25 to the power of 1/2 equals 5. So what that means is log base 25 of 5 equals 1/2. And the next one, 10 to the power of 4 equals 10,000. So that tells me that we have log base 10 of 10,000 equals 4. And the next one, 6 to the power of -1 equals 1/6. So that is log base of 6 of 1/6 equals -1. And the last one, we only have variables. A to the power of b equals c. So that would be log base a of c equals b. So that is converting from exponential to logarithmic form. We can go from logarithmic form to exponential form in the opposite way. So now let's complete this next table here. If we have log base 2 of 32 equals 5, then we can convert that to base 2 to the power of 5 equals 32. The next one, log base 3 of 1/81 equals -4. So that means 3 to the power of -4 equals 1/81. Next one, log base 10 of 1,000 equals 3, meaning 10 to the third power equals 1,000. Next one, log base 125 of 5 equals 1/3. So what that means is 125 to the 1/3 power equals 5. And finally, log base x of y equals z. That means x to the power of z equals y. Those are your notes over logarithmic functions and how to convert logarithmic functions to exponential functions and exponential functions to logarithmic functions. There's another logarithmic function video which shows you how to manipulate logarithmic functions. You will have to watch that video before you can take the quiz. You should go through some practice problems so that switching forms is second nature, because it will help you in the long run. And then you can prepare for your quiz.